Hey YouTube, so doing the wiring harness work. I want to thank Carey and Anthony for their help in getting me on track with this very simple thing. It is very simple, especially when you have this. Yeah, this was lost, so I went digging for it. This is the original wiring diagram. Sorry for sniffling. That I used before when I put the wiring harness back on the engine. So, stuff I don't know where it goes. I've got the temperature sensor. I think that goes up next to the water neck. And then the oil pressure, the stock and the one for my dash gauge, go where on this? Where do I put the oil pressure switch? Just drill a hole, put it wherever you want. So yeah, I don't know where that goes. Yeah, so it's a matter of getting these things connected, and run for length and whatnot, and then I'll just wrap the whole thing all at once everything is wired and happy. No extra slack, just everything all tidied in, tucked in sweet. You know, make it look nice. Not like this. And not that corrugated plastic crap either. That's a no-no. That's gross stuff. No, do it right. So, this helps. That's that, the wiring harness. I also wanted to just mention that when I start this engine up, I've got a virgin cam. How do you refer to that? Anyway, it needs to be broken in, and that has to be done at temperature. So you run the car at like 2,500 RPMs for a half hour right off. And that's the break-in period. So the surfaces are mated, and maybe that's like the final cooking time for, camshaft recipe. Please run at 2,500 RPM for 30 minutes and salt to taste. So that's that. That was from the documentation for the cam. So yeah, a lot of exciting stuff in here. Just put the pieces together and see what we got. So I've got all winter to work on this. I want to do it right. And, I want to keep it as consistent with the rest of the work I've done on this. So some thought, a whole lot less panic, and help from people. So thank you very much again for helping me get back on track.